Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How would you like to have the ability to watch your local news and weather totally free on your Fire Stick? Well, that's what I'm gonna show you in this video today. So let's get started.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel, ding the notification bell, press like on all of his videos, share the video, and follow him on all his social media.
Okay guys, so how do we get this app then? Well, the app I'm gonna show you today is called Haystack, and it's a really good app for news and local weather. So that's what I'm gonna show you today. Okay guys, so from your Fire Stick home screen, all you need to do is go to find and then search. In search, you're gonna type in Haystack. That's H-A-Y, not H-E-Y. So hay as in H-A-Y, not H-E-Y. And then stack. And then you just see it right in the Haystack TV. Once you found it, click it. And that's the app, the Haystack News. So you're gonna click that. And then press the send button to install. Might take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, click open. And guys, welcome to the Haystack app. So it's saying would you like to sign into an account? No need for an account, so just get started. And send that in the headlines that you're interested in. So for me, politics, business, yeah, I'll leave it in that. Obviously, you can customize it however you want, guys. So click on next, and then it's giving me these four. I'm gonna click Euro News, Al Jazeera, and Bloomberg because that's what I like. And I'm gonna untick this, and then I'm gonna say next. Okay, so I'm just gonna click done here. Sign in this fee, sign in later. You don't need to sign in, like I said, guys. And this will be obviously nerd out for obvious reasons, but when the nodes up, you'll get a nice looking interface with your headlines, so you go back and then you can scroll through to see what's on live and a minute what headlines and a minute. So once you found one that you like, you click it, and then yeah, what's in there, and then right there, you'll see a full screen button like you do on YouTube. You press that and it will go full screen, guys. We've also got knife channels, so these are accessing the knife channels. Okay, so click on one to view one. Edit the pics, so needs to guys edit the pics. Then you've got entertainment, so you've got all the entertainment news. Business, so we've got the business, like from the vaccines and that. Politics, so Biden and Boris Johnson, etc. Technology, sci-fi and tech. We've got all that. World Series, so news about that. Halloween 2021, and when I'm recording this, it says actually Halloween, so happy Halloween, guys. Stop the November now when I'm releasing this, but anyway, yeah. Oh, NFL news, so that's the NFL stuff. Now it's there, so yeah, you want to send that out, as I know a lot of people are concerned about it. There we are. Also, Sarah, so this is just your social networks, guys. And also we've got popular international gaming and what's history and like. And also we've got settings and you need to these things in no case in this. Well guys, say I want London for example. London CB, and they will update the location. I'm guessing that's just those things for London stuff. Doesn't none like it, but there we go. And change the location. Right guys, so now is the Haystack app I bought to you. I hope you did enjoy this quick tutorial. If you liked it, please make sure to
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizards channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
Okay guys, until next time, bye.